As the world awaits the increasingly likely confirmation of Suzuki's withdrawal from Motogp, many have placed Joan Mir as Marc Márquez's teammate in the Honda factory team. The issue is HRC's intention not to continue with the service of Pol Espargaro for 2023 and then create the conditions for a new rider to enter the team's garage. The Spaniard, in his second season with Repsol Honda and despite the improvement in his result compared to 2021, the truth is that the Catalan is still not impressing with only 2 podiums and 1 pole position. Espargaro, it should be remembered, signed for 2 years with a third option from Honda, but Gazzetta dello Sport reports this Friday that clause will not be activated, leaving the rider free to choose his future in 2023. At the same time, the situation opens the door to entry of Joan Mir, a long-time wish of Alberto and who has already been in negotiations with the Japanese giant in the past. Mir was due to renew his contract with Suzuki, but an alleged decision by the manufacturer to pull out MotoGP eliminated any chance of a renewal. However, now the window of opportunity has opened for Mir or Honda marriage to finally move forward. It should be remembered that Joan Mir is 24-year-old and is one of the most hype riders on the grid, much to the credit of the world titles won in 2020 in the Premier class and 2017 in Moto3, at the time riding a Honda.